In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up Messenger chats. Let's launch the Messenger app. Sometimes when you change your phone or log in after deleting the Messenger app, you may find your previous chats missing. For this, Messenger now asks you to create a PIN for backing up your chats. For those who haven't set up a PIN or forgot your PIN, this video is for you guys. In the bottom right corner, click on Menu.
In this menu, click on Settings.
In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. In this menu, click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Don't worry, nowadays, all the chats in Messenger are end-to-end encrypted. Now, click on Message Storage. Here, you will see the last date when your messages were backed up. This means I have already turned on backup for my chats. You can take extra measures also. Turn on the Save Key in Google Drive option. Click on Continue with Google. In the pop-up, select your Google account and click on Continue. Now, your passkey will also be saved in Google Drive. If you have forgotten your PIN, click on Reset PIN. Here, you can reset your PIN. Lastly, click on More Options. Make sure that the Auto Sync option is turned on. By doing this, if you try to log into any other device, Messenger will ask you for your PIN. After entering the PIN, your backed up chats will be downloaded automatically. Following these steps, you can back up your Messenger chats easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.